what's up? It's Maritza. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look right here. It's like a snow princess or snow queen. So if you want to see how I got it, just keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm going to be starting on my eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to be using the James Charles and Morphe Artistry palette. And I'm going to go for like a blue eye. I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to do yet. I don't have this look planned out. I usually just go with the flow and whatever happens, happens. So I'm going to be going in with this blue right here first. It's called Playground. I'm going to be putting that blue all over my transition area. Next I'm going to go into this darker blue right here called Cola, and I'm going to be putting that a little bit lower than we put the first blue. I'm going to take the same shade on a packing brush and pack that on the lid. I'm going to be taking the brush that we used before, and then I'm going to blend the edges a little bit more again. Very softly. So basically the same thing that we did to the eyelid, we're going to do underneath the eye. I'm going to blend that out with that fluffier brush. That darker blue that we used earlier. Keeping it a little bit closer to the lash line. So I'm going to be tipping into that lighter blue shade that we used first. And I'm going to be going on the sides of my nose. I'm going to be taking the darker blue and putting that just like in this little, the deepest part right here of that contour. Just so it can look more sunken in. I'm going to be using the lighter blue and put that on my forehead. And then I'm going to take the darker blue and focus it on the outer edges. Taking Playground, I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones. So I'm starting very lightly with this big fluffy brush. This is the e.l.f. highlighting brush, but I'm using it to apply this blue color very softly. And I'm going to go along my jawline as well. Taking Cola again, the darker blue, and I'm going to go on my cheekbones as that as well, just a little more concentrated in one place. So I'm using my Mehron Makeup Paradise paint palette, and I'm going to be taking the white paint right here, just water activated face paint. So I'm just taking a spoolie dipped in white face paint, and I'm going over my eyebrows with that. So they look like they're frosty and snowy. For highlight, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold. It's like mine broke, but it's like a super frosty white. It's so pretty and blinding. So I'm gonna be going in the tip of my nose. Also in the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna put some over here. Also in the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to be putting some on my cheekbones, of course. I'm going to be going ham on the highlight because we're a snow princess and we're frosty. Putting some in the center of my forehead. For the lips, I'm thinking about just doing the same blue eyeshadows on my lips. So first I'm going to cover them with a little bit of foundation, just like this. I'm taking Playground, which is the same first blue shade we used, and I'm going to be going around the mouth with that, very lightly. It's going to look really weird at first, but it'll get better, hopefully. And then the darker blue shade I'm going to put in the center of the lips. Taking more of the Ice Cold highlighter, I'm going to put that on my cupid's bow again. And a little bit on the center of my lip. I'm going to use my finger for this. Taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, I'm going to be going in my waterline with this. Taking my Mehron Makeup Paradise paints again, I'm going to be taking the white, and I'm taking this little tiny detail brush. This is meant for nail art, but it's super small and pointy and perfect for little details. And I'm going to do little snowflakes on my eyeshadow. And I'm going to be doing snowflakes along my forehead as well. Then I'm just going to do little dots around the snowflakes. For the chest, I'm basically going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the light blue and the dark blue all over my neck and chest, and then I'm going to do little snowflakes and white dots. Taking the Jeffree Star Skin Frost again and going on my chest. Then I'm going to be doing some snowflakes around my chest as well. Then I'm going to be doing some little dots around the snowflakes. I'm going to be coating my eyelashes with this white paint. To glue the gems down, I use Spirit Gum from Mehron Makeup. It's a skin adhesive, and then the gems are these holographic gems from the craft store. I got mine from Hobby Lobby, but you can get them basically in any craft store. So I'm gonna put this blue wig on to match the Snow Princess blue vibes. Alright, so that is it for this look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look and the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!